Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. God bless.
Bye.
How could you say this every time? This is the new
Cebu Pacific Air welcome you to Clark International Airport. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 10 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival.
And how could you say this every time?
Finally here in Angeles, California. Hey guys, we just arrived in Angeles. We're so excited to share our experiences here. Thanks so much for having us.
For welcoming us.
Yes, thank you so much.
Singapore yarn. Ano na Singapore?
Basa. Aba. Ay. Oh, ito no.
Wala may CRK.
CRK. And that means we also have suggestions here. I think this will be the next destinations. Batanes. But we're looking for sponsors.
Manifesting.
Oh, doon na 360.
Where I can be myself, for better or for worse. I know there's a place, a secret getaway, where I can be myself, where I can be myself.
Hep hep. Ultra wide mini. Very wide. Ay, at tuloy ang tato dapat din na ang gusto ko. O, diba? Ibalik mis agi day. Medyo majama mi dari day.
Oh, na siya TP hot.
Feel like more aircon na.
Where coffee shop, restaurant din. Ada restaurant din. Breakfast, kabayan.
Kauban na sila?
Campsite 3, campsite Canada, campsite Canada.
Tingnan mga gamit ko sa day.
Naka-plane.
Ang ngit-ngit siya.
Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday. This is the new world, you told me lightly. Oh, and how could it end? Let it fall in my lifetime. I don't really like that. I don't really like that. And how can you paint all the colors of my life? And I don't really like that. No, I don't really like that.
Okay guys. Diba nga magpunta din yung sabaw din inigdaon. Diba? So enjoy ra guys. Nga na day, makiglaban mo sa mga bawo day. Diba? Okay, welcome to Capones Island. Murag wadyo nilaban sa bawat ganina ba?
Kinsay na tuwang day.
Happy. Happy trawa ba? Paano to? Low-key tuwang. Sumusakay namin guys. Bye-bye.
Silence, who knows if I live in the feeling of you?
siya. Cold spring. Cold dagat. Balik na mi.
Bye guys. Meron to. Naka-oras mag-biyahe.
Traffic everywhere. Dahil ito ay butang.
Paglabay dito.
This is the new world you told me lightly. Oh, and how could it end? Let it fall in my lifetime. I don't really like that. I don't really like that. And how can you paint all the colors of my life? And I don't really like that. No, I don't really like that. Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday with you. Sit myself in the silence, who knows if I'll even remember you. Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday with you. Sit myself in the silence, who knows if I'll even remember you. Is there a place to get away?
Gaw. Kapakadagaw.
Pen.
Gaw.
Halfway.
Wow. Este. Ginusto mo to.
Mura naman din ka.
Mura ko rin mayana.
Yan na ron din.
Gato na kamayana. Puro ba pa?
Ito mo sakto mo dari.
Last na na, Jud.
Wow.
Hey.
How could you say this every time? This is the new world you told me lightly. And how could you say this every time?
Ang ning tuturo po siya.
This is the new world you told me lightly.
Queen Film celebrating her 34, no, almost 38K followers.
Celebrating on a budget.
Budget meal dahil.
I don't really like that. And how can you paint all the colors of my life? And I don't really like that. No, I don't really like that. Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday with you. Sit myself in the silence, who knows if I'll even remember you. Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday with you. Sit myself in the
Ganun ko sa vibes niya.
Amang gipang dong to, amang gipang inquiran bitaw.
Yes,
If worth it ba
yeah,
na
we
to.
want to see if the price is worth it and the value that we could experience is more than the money that we pay. Oh, nice, pero chill. Humot na ba Humot ng, prepare na. Okay na. Andam na ang lunch na to.
myself, where I can be myself.
I-arrange ko na, Bi. Unas nga na, Tio. So we're here at Subic Yacht Club. Yacht. Balik. Pugawas, pinapukas ko Balik. So hi guys, we're here at Subic Yacht Club. We finally made it to Hong Kong. This is a Hong Kong inspired restaurant. And this is our food. Yeah, we're very grateful that we were able to come here. We can't believe that we're here now. We actually didn't expect that we can come inside, like walk inside, because we have a lot of bags. And social in Subic. Pasosyal in Subic. Lutang dari? Nga na ba na?
Hala ka diya.
Ibang shake. Puro mas namin ang puro imo ha.
Green mango shake gan.
Green na.
Oh, akilaw.
Mas namin ni. Yes. Ano na napilay?
Mas ba kay very wrong imong mga videos day.
Thank you.
What is cookie?
Yes, thank you. Want to take go. Pabayra. Basta. I-orient ko daw. Ang bigo-bigo. Ka-effort juga. Need permit or license, something. Pwede naman ni ma-draw na to.
Hello guys.
Hi guys, we're finally here in Subic. No.
Sugar daddy with a boat. Again.
We're here in Hong Kong. Wow! Nagbabaka sakali lang po kami. Baka pwede nyo kami papasukan dito. Ay, VIP.